Previously, we did a K-based clustering on STI component stocks. It is interesting to compare the clustering with another popular clustering method, hierarchical clustering. In this video, we will demonstrate hierarchical clustering on STI component stocks. So the first few steps are identical to my previous video on K-based clustering, so I will not repeat them over here. Let's jump straight to the tanagram. If we choose a distance about 20, we can get 5 classes: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's interesting to note that SATS seems to be very far distance as compared to the rest. Next, we perform hierarchical clustering using the scikit-learn package for 5 classes using Euclidean distance and the word leakage. And here's the result. Here is the cluster assignment. We see that Jardine Marsden Holding Limited is the only stock in cluster 2, and SETS is the only stocks in cluster 3, and this result is similar to the K-mean clustering. Next, we will visualize the classes on the 2D plots. We see that the hierarchical clustering yield slightly different results as compared to the K-mean clustering. Let's switch to K-mean clustering. In K-mean clustering, venture is belong to this class and OCBC is belong to this class. And let's switch back to hierarchical clustering. Now, both venture and OCBC are the same classes as the UOB and DBS. This is all for the analysis. The code can be downloaded below. Feel free to leave your comments below. Thank you very much.